Hello friends, welcome to Letstute. As we all know, exam season is coming and many students want to make the most out of the remaining days. We understand that nothing is worse than sitting at the table and staring at the books for hours. So today in this video, we are going to give you tips on how to be productive and effective even while taking a few minutes away from the table and books. So let's start. Tip number 1. Use social media during breaks. We know using social media is very tempting, but if you want to maintain the productivity level during studies, then you will have to restrict yourself from social media. So use social media only during the breaks. Means don't waste your time watching useless videos. Instead, watch motivational or inspirational videos to increase the productivity level. Tip number 2. Take a walk. If possible, search for a place where there is greenery because greenery and fresh air can do wonders for the brain. So during the break, go outside and take a walk to refresh your mind. Tip number 3. Meditate. During the break time, sit for meditation for at least 10 minutes because it has been proven that meditation helps you in gaining perspective during stressful situations. Also, it increases imagination, creativity, and self-awareness. Tip number 4. Take a power nap. Yes, you heard it right. During the study break, try taking a power nap of 15 to 20 minutes because it has been proven that taking a power nap helps in increasing productivity. Tip number 5. Drink water. To function your brain at its peak, it is important for your body to be hydrated. So during the break, drink water as much as you can. If you want, you can add citrus juices to the water to make it more interesting. So these were the 5 tips on how to spend your study break. You can also share in the comment box what do you do in the study break. Hope you like this information. For more such videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.